In this video, I'll show you why your Mac is overheating and a couple of solutions to fix the issue. So if your MacBook is getting too hot, there's actually a couple of things we can do. Now first, just head over to the home screen on your Mac computer and click on this Apple logo in the top left hand side. You can then select System Settings and then press Battery from the left hand side. Now right here you'll see the battery health. So it's really important that this is set to normal. If there's any physical damage with your battery, this will be the reason why your Mac is overheating. So as long as this is set to normal, then you should be okay. And then just go and click on Options. Make sure Slightly Dim the display on battery is turned on. Uncheck the option for automatic sleep on power adapter. Click on the drop down arrow and set this to only on power adapter, and also turn on optimize video streaming while on battery. You can then press done. Now from the left hand side, click on general and then scroll down and click on login items and extensions. At the top of the screen, you'll see Open at Login. So these are all the applications that automatically start when you first turn on your computer. So what you need to do is go and remove as many of these as possible, as this is going to be consuming your resources and causing your Mac to overheat. So you can remove an application just by clicking on it and clicking on this minus button. As you can see here, most of mine are already removed. Now just below this, you'll see App Background Activity, and these are the applications that are always running in the background on your computer. Now once again, this also consumes resources. So if there's an application you don't need to be running all the time, you can just go and toggle that application to off. You may need to enter your password to confirm these changes. Now another thing you'll need to do is click back on your Apple logo in the top left hand side and press Force Quit. So here's all the applications we currently have running on the computer. So any application you don't need running in the background, just go and click on it and then press Force Quit. Now you need to do that for all the applications you don't currently need running. Also make sure that if your MacBook already has battery and charge, that you're not constantly using it on the charging cable. So it's always a good idea that once you have maximum battery, you just go and remove the charger like so. Also make sure you're using your Mac on a flat surface and not something like a bed. Ideally, you want to use something like a hard table or a desk. Now finally, come over to the back of your laptop and just try cleaning the air vents with a small brush. Sometimes you may get a buildup of dust, and this causes poor ventilation on the Mac. So you can use something like a toothbrush or a small brush just to go and clean the back of the MacBook. And once you've done this, that should go and fix any overheating issues.